Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2006 Holden Commodore. This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, power mirrors. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.